What's up guys, it's me Jack, and today we are back in Universe Sandbox. So this is, yep, I turned the bloody simulation stuff on, so yeah, it's gonna make some sound. It vibrates me freaking thing. What's Mercury sound like, eh? Clearly no sounds. Venus. Still no sounds, okay, that's interesting. There are sounds from planets though, that we kinda know. So, I think, what are we going to do today? So, what I might end up be doing is doing some random stuff. So, I think we're just gonna randomly launch a Minecraft cube over to the Earth. It's a Minecraft cube. Not actually, but yeah, this is 1,000 kilograms, eh? It's 40 kilograms. Okay, let's bloody launch the thing. Oh heck, so going to aim for South America. Basically Brazil. I see how much bloody impact it causes. Yeah, I don't know how you, like, you never know, the UK could get impacted. We're landing in South America, Brazil. I currently have hiccups right now because I just had lunch, so. Sorry guys. Oh. This is half a second. Bam. So yeah, the Earth is screwed. Impact. And this is all by freaking Minecraft cube. Causes a huge asteroid problem, causing a shockwave. Not a massive shockwave. Shockwave doesn't look massive, but it is kind of taking down South America. Good luck to them. Uh-oh. It may even reach to Africa. Oh, heck. At least it's getting water now, so kind of be happy for that. You all should be happy for that. Again, all the places here have lakes. It really caused a scar here. Again, Britain's safe apparently. Bloody hell, Britain. Man, you're hilly as heck. I'm gonna put another freaking cube, but let's go for the really high end size. I'm actually gonna change the speed of this cube. So instead of it just going to the speed of light, I'm gonna make it go hecking slow. Slow. Okay, so kilometers, miles. This is all in bloody. Oh, oh, wait, what the heck? All right, let me turn the thing around. Let me edit that. Go towards the Earth, okay. They'll be moving away from the Earth. Blood flying away from Earth, that's what it looks like. Brr, oh. Oh, nah. But the Earth still didn't get impacted. So I can't really change the speed. Ooh. Yeah, UK, I think you might be screwed here, mate. I think you're screwed. I don't think Britain's surviving this. What the hell? Oh, I think that just made proper war for Africa. I think that's all it did. Let me send another one then. Heck, it's flooded Africa. Still basically did nothing to the UK. I can tell you that. Let me get a very, very hot sort of asteroid. Or cube. Very hot. That's going to burn. Okay, that's going the opposite direction where I wanted to go. Well, let's set it to a freaking year then, eh? That's actually heading to the sun. Oh. Did I get significantly hotter? I think so, mate. Earth still didn't get impacted. What the hell? What the hell? Okay, that's very odd. I think everything's just launching to Earth. Let me launch a moon. Our moon's going to impact the Earth all the way from Antarctica. That's a huge problem. The moon's heading to the Earth. The moon is heading to Earth. Rogue object flying into Earth. Oh, impacts. Let's sight this in the UK. Let's go. The moon barges into us. Oi, let's go, bro. Mate, let's go, mate. The moon has gone. very south of us now. Oh heck no. Whoop. Oh, we just got wiped out. Oh, oh, yep. No, the UK is a piece of ocean with a very thick atmosphere. That's what it is. Oh heck, yeah, that's really a problem. Earth, Earth. Right, let's send it so years to somehow regenerate itself. I don't know how. It may or may not even able to do it. 400 degrees. Oh heck. Oh my god. Yeah, Britain is screwed. Clearly it's cold. Right, composition. Uvaviwa. Mushroom. Surface. Yep, it was slowly developing. I think that's the Earth changing itself. I think what's going on here is a regeneration by the ocean. The Earth is starting to look more like itself, like it wasn't before because it was flooded. Oh, everything was flooded back then because of the bloody moon. I think the only bloody planet to survive that is Africa. I think the only countries that survived here. What's going on? Right. Oh, the UK is back. Yep, it survived. From all that impact. I think it will go back to normal. 75%. I guess it may not increase, or will it? And increase it even more. 77%. That's a whole year. See if it gets to about 100. 85, 86, 87, 88. It's slipping in 88%. It's slipping up a little bit here. That's how much it can do here. 88.8%, 88.9, 89. Okay, 89.1. So yeah, pretty much all the countries survived, but I think there's going to be a whole other ice age coming on here. Oh god. 60 minus 61. Are you freaking serious? What the hell is going on? 9 degrees. What? Oh, is this the total degrees, maybe? Maybe that's not average. I think this is like total. So here apparently is about minus 10. Go all the way to Africa. What the heck is the temperature? -1. Oh my god. That's worrying. And the ocean's the only one thing that's warm. 17 degrees. Oh my god. That's so weird. -62. Oh my god. May are freezing to death here. -7 in average. So I guess there was another ice age. Ice wave, I guess. Hmm, 89.7. Kind of get any higher than that. 89.8, 89.7, 89.8. Okay, it's just fighting, really. I'm gonna set that to go many, many years. 12 years, 18 years. 18 years. Oh heck. Yeah, the planet is spinning. 18 years. I've not even lived for 18 years in this planet. Oh my god. Not much has changed. I think it's actually decreased. The whole freaking thing decreased, I think. The likelihood just gradually decreased, I think, from the 18 years. That is worrying. Another ice age. What the heck is going on here? I think what I must do here is send a really hot asteroid. I'm gonna make it so hot it may burn the planet rather than actually freeze it to death. So I'm actually going to launch a rock. So I'm gonna make this quite hot. So we're gonna actually send some heat over to the Earth. So yes, this is the mark here. Yep, everything's melting. I think it's roughly everything's starting to melt. Another couple of years go on. If it's not going to cool down, alright, surface. It's all about minus 12 degrees. That is so strange. Okay, so kind of increased here. Iceland, minus 55. Literally like Iceland at 35,000 feet. I think it was colder than that actually, but it was freezing. Space engines. That was surprising. Oh my god. How am I ever gonna get this Earth to heat up again? Well, I have to. What's that? No, that's doing the opposite effect actually. I think it's causing a domino effect. It's causing quite a domino effect here. Because I think it's actually melting away our lands. So that's a bit too much heat, I think that's probably. That was probably way too much heat. But it's still going through a bit of an ice age. Right then, okay, we're gonna have to do a bit of a crazy asteroid shower to Earth. That did not even get to Earth. What the heck? Oh, well, yes, it did actually. Okay. 3, 5, 8 days. I set it to years. If I can. Oh, bloody breaking the game. It's apparently 4.5 giga years old. What the heck? 8 giga year. Billion years. I don't think anyone or anything can live into for a bloody giga year. Jesus. You know, well, our planet probably won't even live another giga year since how our world is currently running. Not a good place, honestly. I don't even know if we're gonna survive. What the heck? Alright, so. Everything's gone. Right, okay, my next sketch I'm gonna do here is. Right. Let's go back to Earth. Ooh. So what I'm planning to do is, basically, I am going to add quite a few moons. So basically, what this is, I am planning to put some planets here, some moons there, some moons there, some moons there, and some moons there. And then I will have to do it up and then down and then up and then down. Okay, let me delete that. So, and then I'm going to twist my camera and try make it a whole entire working flip without really messing it up. I don't know how I'm gonna do that personally. How the heck? Right, there we go. So I'm gonna try block the Earth, with the moons. So basically, barely much of the Earth is gonna get sunlight after this. That's what I would believe would happen if I add so many moons around it. Turn clouds off. Atmosphere off. Where are my moons? What the heck? So yes, this should be blocking me from the sun. I'm gonna keep trying to make it block. Because, well, if I make the freaking moon that close. Aha! So to make a shadow out of this is to make another one there, and then add another one. Oh, yeah, the moon is dangerously close to this planet here. Yep, my planet's done. Well, let me try this again. So, yes, I could probably cause a blockage between the Earth and the Sun. I'm gonna ruin its place, make some moons really dangerously orbit around the Earth. If I try, put that here. I'm basically gonna get no signs here. I'm making a whole freaking ring of moons around the Earth. There we go. So we got a lot of spots here. Look at all them spots. Alright. So there's all of these moons in a rearrangement. And then we're gonna slow down our speeds. Gonna make every single one of these moons about 0. I'm gonna add 0. Again, add 0. 0, 0, 0, 0. See if this works. To make a full blockage in the equator particularly. 0, 0. Don't even go anywhere. 0, 0. Unless it might bloody go blast off somewhere. 0, 0. 0, 0, 0. 0 there, 0 there, 0 there. There we go. Let's see then. I'm going to slow it down a ton. I'm going to see how it actually is during the day. So I'm going to land somewhere random. I'm going to land where one of the moon's shadow spots are. So yeah, this is where that is. So the moon is blocking the sun. Obviously, since there's a gap, it's not always going to be blocked. The sun will come around eventually. I think this is one of the only spots that have sun between them. Always between, there's always the sun here. The sun can just reach out to us. Right, let's see how that bloody goes. Right, this is simulation on. Is it moving? Yes, it is. So Basically, this is what it became. I'm sorry, Earth, but you are dead. You are dead for sure, mate. Mate, you are dead. It's still moving. Meters per second. So yeah, practically as nothing is moving. But if I keep setting it to more time here, it's about to go to the kilometers per sections. They're all gonna ram into each other, I think. I honestly don't even know which way it's going. Oh, one bit of collisions just happened. That moon and that moon. Oh. So it's going this way. And they are actually starting to get part of the impact. It's a blood moon. Look at that, it's a bloody moon. It's literally a blood moon going on here. And now the earth is cooked. Oh my god. The earth is literally cooked. And it is gonna get cooked. Oh no. Turn my atmosphere off. Oh heck, Earth. Heck. We got 2 bloody moons. One colliding there, another 3 or 4 bloody moons. Uh-oh. Heck. Earth. We're gonna pray for the Earth here. Oh heck. No. Land. Yeah, the Earth is cooked. I just know it now. Oh no. The Earth is definitely gone. It's definitely unalived. And I think impact just occurred here. Uh-oh. Okay, a couple of asteroids have landed. We got a hacking moon ring. And this is just from 2 moons colliding. And I think these are the next pair. This moon and these moons will be destroyed next. It just had a bit of a moon ring. And Earth's water is dissolving all that away. But this is gonna dissolve all of this, all the land away. Oh no. Now this one is colliding with that one. And that's probably going to not cause a bloody moon, but it's going to cause a bit of a devastation. They're not going to be bloody moons, they're going to be yellow moons. Let's go for a bloody moon. Where's my bloody moons yet? Yeah, this ain't bloody. This is yellowy. Yeah, now some other moons are being impacted by that as well. Now more moons are about to collide. So yeah, and it's all heading towards the Earth like it needs a hug. Oh no. Well, goodbye to all of you. Everybody is on collision. Let's impact this bloody planet together. We got our red planet. We got more bloody moons. Oh no. We're getting sunlight during day apparently, it looks like. Uh-oh. What the heck? It looks like... Yeah, we would be extinct from that. There's no chance we are living through that. Yep, let's watch as the UK dissolves away. The UK dissolves away. That rhymes perfectly, I think. That rhymes perfectly. The UK getting dissolved away. Goodbye, UK. Is road surviving? Actually can't tell here. I can't 100% tell what's going on. What's Turkey? I need to look for Turkey first. I think Turkey's even gone. I can't really see it anywhere. Can't see any of Turkey. All the lights just been wiped out. Oh. Now we've got Scandinavia being taken away, and then to Russia, and then we're gonna take the entire other place. And daytime is also having issues. The Earth is getting a huge hug that it's getting crushed to death. Getting crushed to its death. Oh heck, we can't not see a thing. They are the bloody remains, I think. Yep, this entire circle is the remain. The UK is not alive anymore. The moon's been taking it down. Goodbye, moons. And now all these asteroids are gonna go around and all the moons are gone. They're all now in full impact to this planet. Now it's a whole beam now, this entire planet. How? I don't even know how this is going to impact nearer planets. And I think this is heading towards the sun. That's close. The Earth's gravity is carrying all these asteroids with it. Now we've got a whole other asteroid belt. Yeah, there's basically nobody left. And it's a very, very slow development. I don't think it's going to develop really ever at this point. It'll probably never ever develop. Yeah, it's going down. The Earth is screwed. Right, okay, I'm gonna do one more tactic. So, what I'm thinking so far is to spawn a sun. So, where is the sun? Put it there. I'm gonna kind of do the same thing as what I just did to the Earth by making moons around it. I'm going to do the same for the planets. So, the sun. So I'm going to surround this entire place by our planets and make it orbit like perfectly near around the sun. Actually, no, it's not supposed to orbit. It's supposed to go, or is it though? Actually, well, it's not as easy as doing it. So I'm gonna do. Oh, yep. Let me see here. Mercury. Then it should be Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturnus, Uranus, and Neptune. And then, Planet 9. And then, let's redo this. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, or Uranus as people would say it, Neptune. This must be a full circle. Oh my god. Planet 9 again. Okay, I think now I'm just gonna do some of the dwarf planets. Oh, they're calling them asteroids? How dare you? Pluto. Ceres. Bloody hell, it's already a freaking star. Makemake. Where's the egg-shaped, pill-shaped one? Haumea. That's not even egg-shaped. Are you kidding me? Haumea, Eris, and I think it's Eris. They're all burnt stars. And now they're barely even aligned. So, as this suggests, we are going to do the same thing as what we did to the moon. Make a whole planetary and dwarf planetary parade. And then I think I might do some of the moons. So, I'm going to do the biggest moons between it. So, we need... our moon is in pretty decent size. And then... Titan's a big moon. And yes, there we go. So yeah, son, all the planets are against you now. They're about to... Why does that look so much like Saturn? Oh my god, that actually looks like Saturn. Right, let me turn my orbit view on. Let's see what the hell all this looks like. Yeah, all like a freaking ring. Looks like a planetary ring. Planetary orbital ring. So yeah, this is probably... They may or may not bash into each other, but you never know exactly. They could. Now we turn to a Saturn. Right then. I still need to decrease the bloody thing. Okay. I think my game's probably gonna lag. It's already feel a bit of suspense. Do they even cause any form of shadow? I doubt it. Let me check on one of the Earths here. Yeah, this is our planet. It's gonna be dissolved. What the heck? Surface. Yeah, I bet it's boiling. It's not in its habitable zone. 4 degrees? What? 4 degrees? Okay. Let me fast forward this. Oh heck. What is this? I think this is literally in orbit, not in... This is not... Yeah, this is actually not similar at all. This is actually entirely different. But still quite hazardous the way it looks. Literally got so many freaking stuff. Oh, Planet 9, what the hell's going on with you? Yeah, you're farting all your stuff away. What the hell? Yeah, Planet 9, you're like our... What would I compare you to, like? You would just be like our bloody fireworks. I don't really know. And now all the other planets are starting to light up a little bit. Yeah, they still didn't really quite bash into each other, which is kind of surprising, honestly. Ceres is now the next one. You're farting all your fragments. Yeah, I think everybody's going to dissolve. Jupiter will probably, the Jupiters and the Saturns are going to be the last ones. But Planet 9 somehow dissolved first. I don't know how. Oh, that Uranus and that Saturn's about to collide. Oh, there's been a collision. And I think there's been another collision. Has there been another though? That's literally another collision. Saturn and Uranus just took each other down. Yeah, all we're getting is freaking ashes and all that crap. The Earth is like a melted sun, basically. What the heck? Yeah, but now it's 225 degrees. Oh, heck no. And this is our planet now. And of course, the equator is going to be the hottest spots. 80 degrees. 56? Mate, that is cold if you think about that. Oh, nah. What just collided then? Oh, they're still crapping. It's fragments out. Saturn has gone a bit mad. I think we may make somehow a solar system made out of these asteroids. We made a whole ring out of it. Oh my god. I think we just made Sun a ring. Made of our planetary material. With it all far. Oh. Did that make the Sun go supernova? What the hell? What is that? That's unbelievable. What the heck happened? What happened to our planets? There's a whole freaking year gone. We got a freaking Mercury, Jupiter's gone. There's a Jupiter there. More fragments, but I can't see a thing for some reason. Why? Okay. Right, let's do something else. I think we're going to do kind of the same thing as what we sort of just did before, but this time they're not going to orbit. I'm going to make it go, basically, still with each other. So I expect all the planets to collide and do all that drama without it going on all in just orbits. So, and then to probably all head to the sun. That's kind of what I expect going on here. So we're going to start with Mercury first. So, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Big Ball, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, and then back to Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. There we go. So I'm gonna turn it down again quite a ton. Let's go. Alright, the sun is on engine again. And my game's lagging severely. Where are you heading to? You're flying into the sun. Planet, prepare to die. Planet's flying into sun. Getting a massive hook, son. And you may or may not die from it. We're all against you. We're all using our lives for you. Just to defeat you. All heading for you. How fast is it going? 13 kilometers. That's like no speed, basically. Oh yeah, that's going faster. I think Has something collided already? I'm gonna kind of look at Jupiter first of all, because I think that's the planet I kind of expect. It's not a freaking cold planet. It's gonna get warm, and then eventually just bash into the sun. We're going 130 kilometers, 140, 150. Okay, so the remaining temperatures apparently is minus 116, so nothing actually changes by that much. Nothing exactly changes. I think Jupiter's using its power. Okay, time to die. I think someone might have collided. I think some of them may have collided. Not just our Jupiter here. Yep. Yeah, turn into a blue star now. You ain't cold. You ain't that cold no more, mate. You ain't that cold sun that we know of. You are getting brighter and so much warmer, you turn into a white star. You're gonna turn white. That's literally what's gonna happen. Jupiter's. Oh my god. Yes, that sounds a pancake. Or some kind of bloody pimple. Now it's dissolving. Uranus, Neptune, and all the other planets. And that Saturn's gone, and then that Jupiter's gonna be gone. It's getting lighted up. There's basically the same bloody daytime. There's only one very dark zone. It's practically like daytime here. Like literally daytime. And then sunsets. Yeah, it's your final sunset until you die. Actually, it's honestly crazy how science works. So no matter what, there's always going to be a really dark side. You're bashed. Oh. Yeah, now you're getting lightened up, aren't you? You're lighting up. You're just a massive pimple on you now. It's a fiery pimple. Right, all the planets are now gone. So yeah, there's no more planets in this solar system. And all the asteroids attract the sun now. The sun has eaten the planets. They more or less look like galaxies. Like very tiny galaxies. And then more mass, very small fragments form over by one massive fragment. What the heck? And now we've got more tiny galaxies. Oh! Yeah, everything's gone now, I think. Yeah, screw you, son. Right then, so we are gonna end the video here. Okay. 16.6. I think it's almost been an hour. Wow, okay. So, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe if you want to, and I'll see you tomorrow. And in a British Railways video, I think we're going to do tomorrow. And then after we do that, we are doing our next episode of Microsoft Flight Simulator. So yeah, we're going back to the normal cycle like we just started, because this is kind of the end of our cycle. Tomorrow is the point. So yes, I'll see you guys later, and yeah, see yous.